Just thought I would do a recording about the mess up Safestyle UK did on my doors and windows. As you can hear, it squeaks and catches. And as you can see, with the spirit level, it's totally bowed. I did speak to the customer services and they sent somebody out, as I've written the text loads of times, and nobody said it was bad. Turns out the surveyor didn't pick up on it, neither did any of the tradesmen, that there is no lintel above the door. So they need to come back in March 2021 to rectify this. 607 so-called tradesmen came out and said this was a good install, but obviously not. This included a surveyor, which obviously it couldn't survey anything. This is Safestyle UK. As you can see, it is 6 degrees in the room where they installed these doors, because there is gaps everywhere, and we've just seen the bowing. Look at the gaps, you can actually see outside. They think that's acceptable to leave me with it for 9 months ish. And the door wobbles, as you can see now. It's absolutely shocking. This is Safestyle UK. Spoke with Safestyle on several occasions, and they just kept sending dodgy tradesmen out after weeks and weeks and weeks, and then in the end they are now saying they can't get anybody to me until the 29th of March. Bearing in mind the install was reported to them 24 to 48 hours after the install, which was June-July time in 2020. So please do not use Safestyle UK.